Yes, good evening, Adesha.
Good evening, sir.
You are so late to the class. Why?
Sir,
You are so late to the class. Why?
sir, I was not able to find my wise up.
Is it so? Okay, anyway, we'll discuss the question. One second. Yes, we'll discuss the questions yesterday. Whatever we have discussed, we'll continue with that. And have you started solving the questions? Adesha, are you here? Hello, are you here? Are you here or not? Can you hear me? Hello. Adesha, can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we were till what we have discussed in the last class? What was the question? Have we discussed this? G is the inverse of the function. If G is the inverse function of f and f dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x to the power of 5, then G dash of x is equal to dash. Option A, 1 plus x to the power of 5. Option B, 5x to the power of 4. Option C, 1 by 1 plus G of x over to the power of 5. Option D, 1 plus G of x to the power of 5. Make it fast. Don't take much time. I'll just give you only 2 minutes time. Quick.
Sir, option D.
Then
Option D, sir.
I didn't get you. What is the answer?
Option D.
Delhi,
D,
Bombay.
sir. D. Fourth one.
ठीक है. Good option D is right one. Very simple question. See, inverse function is nothing but what? So he has given that G is equal to F inverse. G is the inverse of F is nothing but G is equal to F inverse. So what happens here now? So what are we see F of G of X is equal to X. ठीक है. So there is a property of inverse function. See, even you can take G of F of X is equal to X. So we took this. Why? Because we need G G dash of X. Right? G inverse of X we need. So that is the reason I took this. Right? So F of G of X is equal to X. So F dash of G of X, right? F dash of G of X into inner function G dash of X, which is equal to 1. Right? So G dash of X is equal to 1 by F dash of G dash of X. All right. So in 1 by F dash of X is what? F dash of X is given to 1 by 1 plus X to the power of 5. So 1 by 1 plus X is what here? G of X to the power of 5. All right. So what you're going to get now? Reciprocal is 1 by, right? 1 by. So here reciprocal is nothing but 1 by. Okay, so reciprocal, what you're going to get now? 1 plus G of X. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next. This has been asked in 2000 JEE 14. 2014. If for X belongs to 0 to 1 by 4, the derivative of tan inverse of 6x into root x whole divided by 1 minus 9x cube is root x into g of x. Then g of x is equal to dash. Option A, 9 by 1 plus 9x cube. B, 3x into root x whole divided by 1 minus 9x cube. C, 3x by 1 minus 9x cube. Option D, 3 by 1 plus 9x cube. This has been asked in JEE 2017.
Sir, could you explain this?
You want me to explain this question? Simple question. Look at the derivative of tan inverse of 6x into root x by 1 minus 9x cube given to you. Right? So basically, look at this here. Do you remember one formula? What is the formula we have? So 2 times of tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of x and tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. All right. So now we'll do one thing. We'll put x is equal to tan x. So x is equal to tan x is nothing but x is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. Right. So tan inverse of tan, from this I'm writing x is what here? Tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So tan inverse of tan 2x. Tan inverse of tan 2x, right? So what you are going to get now? You are going to get 2x. 2x is nothing but what? 2 times of tan inverse of x. Right, x is equal to tan inverse of x or not? Look at here. X is tan x. So this x is going to be what? Tan inverse of x. Shifting tan to that side, it becomes tan inverse of x. So what you're going to get now? Tell me. Tan inverse of what he has given, tan inverse of 6x into root x by 1 minus 9x cube given to you. Right? So tan inverse of, we can write this as 3 into 3x into root x whole divided by 1 minus 3x root x whole square. Right. Can I write like this? We can modify this. Now let us take this as y. Y is equal to something, right? So y is equal to tan inverse of 2 into 3x to the power of 3 by 2 whole divided by 1 minus 3x to the power of 3 by 2 whole square, right? So y is equal to what? 2 times of tan inverse of 3x to the power of 3 by 2. Taking this 2 away outside, right? So find out derivative of this dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. X square is nothing but 3x 3 by 2 whole square into d by dx of inner function. Into inner function 3 into 3 by 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 2. D by dx of inner function. Understood my point? Yes. So dy by dx is equal this 2 I can cancel here. So 9, 3 3s are 9, x to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as root x whole divided by 1 plus 9x cube. Right. So what he has given here?
Yes, sir.
What he has given? Look at this. He has given that derivative of this function is this, which means dy by dx is equal dy by dx of this tan inverse of some x is equal to what? Root x into g of x, right? So dy by dx, this is equal to what he has given? Root x into g of x. This is a given part. This is a given part. Okay. So I need what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to what? Root x I can cancel here. 9 by 1 plus 9x cube is equal to g of x. Right? So g of x is equal to 9 by 1 plus 9x. This is the answer. This is the answer. Any doubts? Option
No, sir.
option A is correct. See, basically what I did here, 2 tan inverse of, we know this. Actually, we know this, right? We know that this is what we know actually. So I just simply substituted x is equal to tan x. Why? Because it becomes, if I substitute tan x beta, if I substitute x value as tan x, inside I would get tan 2x, right? I would get tan 2x. So that tan inverse tan both will get cancelled. So you will be getting, you will be left without 2x. And x is equal to what? Tan inverse of x here from this. Okay, correct? So from that given part, I just wrote the modified my function like this. After that, x into root x is x to the power of 3 by 2. From that, I just got this step. From that, I just proceed with this. All right, 2 times of tan inverse of x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus 3x to the power of 3 by 2 whole square and in the function. I just found the derivative of this. And at last, I got g of x like this. Very simple question. Next. For x belongs to real numbers, f of x is equal log 2 minus sin x, and g of x is equal when g of x is equal to f of x, then option A, g dash of 0 is equal to cos of log 2. Option B, g dash of 0 is equal to minus cos of log 2. Option C, g is defined at x is equal to 0 and g dash of 0 is equal to minus sine of log 2, right? D is equal to g is not, this is, I mean, not defined, this is differentiable. Is differentiable, not differentiable at x value 0. Okay. Now tell me the answer of this. This is JEE 2016 question. Quick. What is the answer? Very simple question. It's a simple question. What is the answer? Look at this here. F of x is given that modulus of log 2 minus sin x. G of x is given this. Right? Then which of the following option is correct? C. So
Option B,
yes,
sir.
option. Option.
Second option.
Second option. No. Look at this here. Is what exactly is asking us to find? Is asking us to find the derivative of g of x at 0. All right, he's asking us to find g of x at x is equal to 0. This is one second. At x value is 0, right? This is what he's asking. If you observe properly, g dash of g of derivative of g of x at 0, g of derivative of g of x at 0, g is differentiable at x is equal to 0, and g dash of 0 is equal to this. So this is what he has given. G is not differentiable at x is equal to 0, right? So we'll find out g dash of x. G dash of x is what? What is g dash of x? F dash of x into inner function f dash of x. All right. So we'll find out if f of x is given that modulus of log 2 minus sin x. Guys, what is f dash of x here? Minus cos x directly. Why? Because he has given mod f of x is equal to given that log of log 2 minus sin x. So f dash of x is what? Minus cos x or not directly? Yes. So f dash of x is what? Now let us take this as my first equation. Actually, he is asking us to find to find. To find is what? G of x at x is equal to 0. Right. G dash of x at x is equal to 0, he is asking us to find. Right. So basically, look at this. G dash of x is what? G dash of x is equal to f dash of x. F dash of x is what? Minus cos x. X is what? F of x. F dash of x, ma. In place of x, I need to substitute f of x here. Why? Because f dash of x, x place, we have this, right? F of x. So cos of f of x into f dash of x. Into f dash of x is what? Minus cos x. Right. At x is equal to 0. Right. So minus cos f of 0 into minus cos 0. Right. Minus cos f of 0 is nothing but f. Isn't it looking like f of x? So mod of log 2 minus sin 0. Cos 0 is 1 actually. Okay. Minus cos of log 2 minus 7 minus 1. So plus cos of minus into minus plus here, this minus becomes plus. Cos of log 2 is answer. Cos of log 2. Option G dash of x 0, cos of log 2, option A is correct. You made some calculation mistake somewhere. Okay. This has been asked in JEE 2016. Now I'll give this question, take this question homework and keep solving the worksheet questions. Don't forget to solve that. And he is asking us to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is dash. Option A 1 by 2, option B 1, option C 2, option D 1 by root. Okay, solve this question. Okay, solve this question and we'll meet in the next class. Next class onwards, please be on time. So I have another class right now, so I have to join it better. So make sure that you are joining, you are solving the previous year JEE questions from the worksheet which I have shared to you, right? Cool. Thank you.